Good morning, students. I'm Neelam here. Today I'm going to solve some of the questions of exercise 5.2. Chapter is exponents. Exponents, okay? I'm starting exercise 5.2. Question number 2, C part here. Question is like this: 12 raised to power 6 divided by 12 raised to power 6 then upon 24 square. Okay. Now as you see here, base 12 base is same. Base is same and division is there. When bases are same, division is there, then we subtract the powers. We write the base same. It is 1 time 12. Then division sign is there. Then powers are subtracted. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. Okay, upon 24 square. 24 square means 24 into 24 will be written twice. Then 12 raised to power 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Divided by 576. When I have multiplied 24 by 24, I have got 576. Okay, 576. Then any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Then divided by 576. In this way, you will solve the question. In this way, you will solve this question. Next question is question number 3. Question number 3, C part. Question number 3, C part is here. Then comes question number 3, C part here. Here question is like this: 2 raised to power 4 into 2 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 8 into 10 square. 10 raised to power 2. When I have taught you laws of exponent, it was told to you कि in case of multiplication, when bases are same here, base 2 is same and powers will be added. Okay, 2 raised to power 4, I have taken 2 base as common here. Then powers 4 plus 6 plus 5, 4 plus 6 plus 5 added. When base is same, powers will be added. Then 5 square, write it as it is. In upon also 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 8. Then base is same. Here 2 I have written 2. I have added the powers 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 plus 8. Okay. Then I have written this 10. This 10 as a product of 2 into 5. I have written 10. 10 को मैंने कैसे लिख लिया? 2 into 5 raised to power 2. Okay, raised to power 2. Then I have added the power to 4 plus 6, 2 raised to power 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 2 raised to power 15 here. Then into 5 square, 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 plus 8, it is 15, 2 raised to power 15. इसमें क्या आ गया? 2 raised to power 15. Then here it is 2 into 5 square. Okay. When power is common, it can be taken separately. 2 raised to power 2, I have separated it, 2 raised to power 2 and into 5 raised to power 2. Okay. Here I have it like this: 2 into 5 square. Okay. It can be separated: 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2. Okay. When bases are different, power is same, then power was taken as common. Now I have just separated the bases and taken the power same here. 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2. Here I have written like this. Okay. Then 2 raised to power 15 here same into 5 square divided by 2. अब ये क्या है? 2 raised to power 15 and 2 raised to power 2. अब base is same, power will be added. I will add 2 raised to power 15 plus 2 because Base are same. Base here 2 is same and power will be added 15 plus 2 into 5 raised to power 2. Okay. Then 2 raised to power 15 into 5 raised to power 2. Write as it is. Write it as it is. Excuse me. Okay. Then here now this is division 5 raised to power 2 and divided by 5 raised to power 2. Division is there, then power will be subtracted. Division is there, power will be subtracted. 5 raised to power 2 minus 2 and you are left with here 2 raised to power 15 plus 2 17. Okay. Now this can be written as 2 raised to power 15 into 5 raised to power 0. 5 raised to power 2 minus 2, 5 raised to power 0 minus upon 2 raised to power 17. Okay. Then this will become 2 raised to power 15 into 1. Any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. A raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Divided by 2 raised to power 17. 2 raised to power 17. Now, it can be written as, yes, it can be written as here, I can solve here. It can be written as 2 raised to power 15. Here I can solve here. Here. It can be written here like this. Now, 2 raised to power 15 divided by 2 raised to power 17. Okay. Then division is here. Division is here. Base is same. Power will be subtracted. Power will be subtracted. Division is here. Na? 2 raised to power 15 divided by 2 raised to power 17. When base is same, division sign is here. Division is here. Then we subtract the powers. We subtract the powers. Then 2 raised to power 15 minus 17 minus 2. 15 minus 17, it is 2 raised to power minus 2. Now, as power is negative, I can take the negative is there. Power is negative there. Power is negative there. Then power is here negative here. I will write it as 1 upon 2. We take the reciprocal and power will be positive. Power will be positive. I will take the reciprocal of 2. That will be 1 upon 2. As soon as I take the reciprocal of the base, the negative power will be positive. Okay. In this way, you will solve the questions based on laws of exponents. Okay. Now, one of the question is here related to equating powers. Okay. Equating powers. One of the question here, equating powers. Okay. Equating powers. Here, question is here 6 question. Okay. 6 question. It is question number 6. Minus 15 upon 8 raised to power 2x is equal to minus 15 upon 8 raised to power 4. Okay. When you see the equality sign here, equality sign is here. Both side base is same. Both side base is same. Base is same. Then base is same both sides. Then we will equate power. Equating powers. Equating पावर्स हम दोनों ये पावर्स को इक्वल कर देंगे, इक्वेट कर देंगे. इक्वेटिंग पावर्स. कंडीशन ये होनी चाहिए कि दोनों के जब बेस सेम है, दोनों एक्सपोनेंट्स के जब बेस सेम है तो हम क्या करते हैं, पावर्स को इक्वेट कर देते हैं. इक्वेटिंग पावर्स मींस 2x इक्वल टू 4. तो x वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 4/2. x इज इक्वल टू 2. तो वैल्यू ऑफ here x will be 2. The condition is कि when bases are same, equality sign is here, base is same, then powers are equated to get the value of the unknown. To get the value of the unknown. Okay. Here one of the example is also there in your book also. Example number 8. This is totally based on equating powers. thank you. You will solve this exercise 5.2. Thank you.